Today we're going to show you how to disassemble and install the Clearview window. Step 1. Open the grill lid. Step 2. Remove the 8 screws of the side pressing plate of the glass window. Step 3. Remove the side pressing plate from the glass window. Step 4. Remove the left and right screws from the front lining of the grill lid. Remove the front lining from the lid. Step 5. Remove the 4 screws from the front pressing plate of the glass window and put the glass down gently. Step 6. Insert your finger into the glass mounting slot and pull it out gently. Step 7. Remove the thermometer. Step 8. Install the thermometer on the new glass window. Pay attention to the order of the thermometer gaskets. Step 9. Insert the newly installed glass with the thermometer into the mounting slot of the lid. Pay attention to the installation position, and the glass cannot exceed the slot of the glass should be positioned well. Step 10. Install the inner lining of the top cover and fasten it 1-to-1 correspondence between the holes, then tighten the screws. Step 11. Install the inner lining of the top cover and fasten it. The holes of the inner lining should correspond to the screw holes of the top cover 1 by 1 and tighten them together. Step 12. Install the left and right side pressing plates. Insert the vertical edge in Figure 1 into the 2 sides in Figure 2. The holes should correspond with each other and lock them with screws. Step 13. Installation is complete.